Uh, well, nice day, Luigi.
Hi, boys.
Oh, hey, Princess Peach. Hi, Princess.
Would you care for some, play some golf today? Oh. Oh, well. I guess not.
Wait. How about we not play golf? How about we play, like knights?
Night? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that, Mario?
What I mean by that is, we can play as knights inside of armor. See, I'm inside of this box, and I can be a knight. Wait, but what box I get to be in? You get to be inside of that play one, remember? The screen box.
Ooh, looks so handsome.
Right, well, Hembo. Yeah, that one. But this isn't like a box to like be at night in. It's like a box where you can it's like a box where you can looks like it's an electronic. Yeah. See? Look at that. They look fine. Come on, just deal with it. Alright, fine. What's keeping you guys so long? Oh, there he is.
Ooh.
The dragon. What? I'm not a dragon. Don't you see? I'm a plumber. What do you call? Hey, watch where you're going. Well, now I'm getting too. That definitely taught you again, Luigi. Then who's gonna be the dragon? How you guys seen Luigi? Oh, there he is. Get him to death.
Okay.
I am not a dragon, okay? I'm a plumber. Okay, fine. How about we get our Yossi's? Yossi 1.
Yossi 2. Hey, I'm supposed to be Yossi. Yossi.
Well, you can be the Yossi 3.
But I'm Yossi 1. And I'm Yossi 3.
Okay, fine, I'll be Yossi 2. Oh, hey everyone. Oh, hey there, Super.
Hi.
Can you please get me out of here? These guys are trying to get me. Oh, well. I can't do that. No, that's not the reason why I came here. I came here to introduce you to my new friends.
Yeah, there's new members of Uncle Wood?
Yes, but they also, at the same time, they're giving their first visit. So they're lucky new members of Uncle Wood. But you guys can help to just introduce them to the wood so they can get used to it. Okay?
Okay, we can do that.
Hi, you can start them. Yeah, it will be extremely nice to them. You saw?
Of course. We're always nice to new members of this Uncle Wood.
You'll see. Exactly. Alright, well, I'll get them now. Guys, come over here. They want to see you. Hello.
Oh, hi.
I'm the flying penguin. Well, although my flying isn't too good today. Well, hey, Spark the flying dog, come over here. Woof woof. I'm the flying dog. Yeah, you're the flying dog. I'm the flying dog. You're the flying dog. And apparently your name is Sparks, right? Yes. I'm the flying dog. Hey, watch it, please. Just saying. Oh, sorry. And the flying Mira the Dragon. Come over here. Or whatever her name is. Tooth. Well, I don't know. Hi. Hi.
My name's Mira.
Aren't you a different name? Aren't you the dragon from Are You Tiny Dragon?
Yes, but I like to call myself
Mira.
So, please call me Mira, and please don't call me my normal name at times, please.
Okay, well, hello then, Mila.
Hi, my name's Princess Peach. Oh, I heard so much about you. I'm so happy to see you. Can't believe I'm being a real princess right now. Well, you can be more excited because I'm not the only one princess here.
Oh, really?
Well, it is, no? You're not the only one?
Okay, guys. Well, since we just met Mother, you guys accept me because I was a member of Uncle Boy here before my friend. You guys, before your free game. I just wanted to. So what do these guys do? Basically, well, some guys.
We can fly.
That's all you can do. Can you do tricks or something?
Oh, yes. Can I ride you, please? I really want to ride you. Of course. My Highness. Your Highness? Can I go on a different boat? Your tail's kinda too thin. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go on my wings then. Oh no, because you have to fly. Fine, I'll just sit here then.
Alright.
Alright. Here we go.
Wow, look at them go.
I could go fly, huh? It's not, you're going a little bit too high. Oh, sorry about that. I'll go a little bit more down. No, that's better. Whoa. Phew. Thanks for the ride. Oh, you're welcome.
Hey, can I fly you, little dog? Oh, sure. I'm Spock. Yes, I know. Please fly me, Spocks.
Have fun, darling.
Thanks, Professor Charles. See you in a few minutes. See you later, everyone. Bye. Can I get out there? Hey! Right. Hey, actually, Luigi, you want to come with me on this? Oh, so Mario. Brotherhood. Let's go.
Just look at them go.
I just look at them go. It's want to torture them. Oh, I can fly fast, can I? You can definitely fly fast. Look at this. I'm so afraid of heights, Mario. I don't worry, Luigi. We'll go down soon. But just look at the way this place is designed. Look at it. It's like a flying area. It's like a flying area here. Can we perhaps go upstairs? Wow, look at this. Yeah, we never got to explore up here before. Well, actually, yeah, but not recently. Whoa. This is a really nice area. Look at this. Look at this, Luigi. Oh. Ow. Oh. You're welcome, guys. No thanks, except for the end part.
Are you two okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Just a little bit sprained. Yeah. Okay. How about the flying penguin? Right. Hey, how about we all fly together? But penguin's the only one who's gonna have a custom. He's gonna have a fly with him. Fine, I'll fly the stupid penguin. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
I wonder why they fly out together.
I don't know, probably because, I don't know. Maybe it's because they're friends.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
You ever see?
You have to go rescue him?
Probably not. Oh, number 5, Wind Up Penguin. That should be fun. Exactly. I actually never expected this to be fun. Yeah, you guys should get used to it. Exactly. What? Hey, where are the others? Oh. Oh no. Help! We're stuck. We're stuck. Please help us. Help! Now we have to go save them. Don't worry. We'll save them like Princess Peach.
Let's go, Mario.
Come on. Hey, can I come too? Close, Luigi. Help! Oh, he's super. Thanks. Okay. No. Here's Bax and Spox.
Yeah, I'll get him. What? Hey, Bax.
Well, hi. I'm his son. I'm his your son.
No, you're not.
Alright, well, let's get on Penguin now. Come on, Spox. Oh, I really want to stay with my father. He's not your father, okay? He's not your father, okay? Max is the very best friend of us.
Help.
Alright, I'll save you, my butt. I don't know where to go down. Oh, there she goes.
Oh, thank you for that.
You're welcome. Let's travel back. Oh, thanks for saving everyone.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. I am Spox. Ooh.